Good afternoon, guys. I am Krishna Sudheer from ECA. Today, I am going to explain one code forces question to you guys. Let me go to my question. Problem number 1165C. Good string. Let me read my question first. Let's call a string good if its length is even and every character in odd position of the string is different from the next character. For example, the strings good string and xy, yx are good strings and the strings bad, aa and aabc are not good. So the question is, a string is considered good if the number of characters in that string is even. And similarly, the character in odd position of the string must be different from the next character. So you are given a string S, you have to delete minimum number of characters from the string so that it becomes good. So the input contains, the first line contains one integer, that is the number of characters in S. The second line contains a string S consisting of exactly n lowercase Latin letters. Output, in the first line, print one integer k, the minimum number of characters you have to delete from S to make it good. In the second line, print the resulting string S. If it is empty, you may leave the second line blank or not print it at all. So one of the sample input and output is input 4 and good, output is 0 and good. So let me go to my code. Hash include stdio.h int main int n I count equal to 0. I am printing enter the number of characters in the string. I am reading the number of characters. Now I am printing enter the string. I am reading the string and I am giving a condition if the number of characters is even, that is if n mod 2 equal to 0, then I am going to run for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I equal to I plus 2, if str of I equal to str of I plus 1. In this line I am checking if the character in the odd position is different from the next character, and if it is equal, then count must be increased to 1 and str of I equal to str of I plus 1. Else if n mod 2 not equal to 0, that is if the number of characters is odd, then we have to make it even first, and for that the character which is just in front of the last character, that is str of n minus 1, is made /0. Then we are giving the same for loop, that is for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n minus 1, I equal to I plus 2. If the character in the odd position is equal to the next character, then count equal to count plus 1, str of I equal to str of I plus 1, and then print of count, print of str. In these two lines we are printing, that is count means the number of changes that we have to make that string good, and print of str means the good string, the changed string. Okay, and let me run my code. Enter the number of characters in the string. I am giving that test case that we have seen in our question, 4, and enter the character or string. I am giving good, and it is printing output 0 and good, which is same as the test case sample output. So thank you guys.